I'll show you 4 unique chances in this video where you may start making money right now without any experience or training. Every one of them is accessible from any location on planet. To start, you don't need to pay anything up front. Be patient and don't rush through any of them. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Therefore, I should make it clear before I show you this website that they won't make you rich in any way, but they are a terrific way to make some money quickly without putting in a lot of effort. If you're looking for long-term strategies though, keep an eye out, because I'll be posting videos with ideas that will give you income for a much longer period of time soon. The first of the 4 websites I'll be showing you today is this one, right in front of your screens. So with that out of the way, one of the most established, enduring, and possibly the best website for making money online is this one. Since this site has been operating since 2005, as you can see at the bottom of the page, the first thing you'll notice is that it appears a little dated. It is therefore one of the oldest money-making websites available and is entirely legitimate. If not for the discovery, it would have long since disappeared. As seen on the left, users of this website have made close to $8 million. For those who are interested, you may view the payment evidence by following the link below. As I promised, the site is now accessible in the majority of countries globally. Therefore, the activities you can engage in on it to earn money are largely available everywhere. As a result, this website offers a wide variety of possibilities that may be categorized into 3 groups: offers, surveys, and games. You can select from a variety of offerings to see which one you like best by filling out forms, testing products, earning money, conducting searches, and completing tasks. Even if you don't like them, the website will still pay you well for taking them, as it advertises, "Take 8 daily cash surveys accessible every day, valid up to $1 each." For a ton more paid survey opportunities, visit our exclusive survey panel. You are therefore paid $1 for each survey, which may not sound like much, but it is far more than other websites, which is crucial for us. Games are another excellent choice. They can actually be pretty entertaining, believe it or not. Even if make money online services don't pay well and in my opinion aren't worth the pain, you can refer some people here if you don't have a lot of time to generate passive cash. However, I would recommend other sites instead. With being stated, in order to begin using this site, you must first create an account. To do so, enter your email address and first name in the fields below. I won't go over it now since I know you can manage it on your own. But before I wrap up this first website, allow me to give you the URL so you can discover it. The URL is treasuretrooper.com. Simply go there, follow our instructions, and start making money online. Okay, so SurveyYeah.com will be the second website we examine today. This one pays you to the numerous types of surveys, as you should have realized by this point, and that is exactly what their main page claims. Additionally, it shows that it is accessible everywhere, which is crucial for us. More details are available below, and I'll begin to discuss them shortly. As you can see, they send paid surveys down here in euros that can be exchanged for Amazon or PayPal gift cards. They value your viewpoint, and you can compensate it for voicing it. On the right, you can see that there are more ways besides surveys to get money online. Learn how to save money while leading the same lifestyle, or how to earn money online. You're in for a lot of interesting news, clever solutions, and amusing videos. As a result, they actually offer some advice on earning money online and other interesting topics. You can see how you can get paid as is customary. In this website's instance, among a few others, PayPal is an option. If you're not a big PayPal fan, click on and look at all the rewards below to see all the many ways you can earn rewards. Some of the website's features can be seen if you scroll down further. First and foremost, this website can be accessed from 123 different nations around the world, fulfilling my promise that it is a nearly universal resource. 5 continents are available for registration. The website is available in 5 different languages. and the user profiles and surveys are in the language of the nation in which you are now reside. The fact that it doesn't matter if you're not from the United States or if English isn't your first language or you don't speak it well is a pretty great characteristic that I don't believe many websites have. Given that 2 million people have registered in this website, it is very well liked. Over €1 million have already been redeemed as seen on the right, with payments made through PayPal, Amazon, Salado, Decathlon, Skrill, and Payza. As a result, this website not only has global accessibility but also provides a number of payment options. Simply come back to this page and click the Sign Up for SurveyYeah button to start making money. After that, simply enter your data and you're ready to go. The third website on my list for today is PriceRebel.com, so let's go there now. By completing multiple surveys, you can start making money online right away. You can receive payment through PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Steam, and eBay in the form of cash or gift cards. As you can see in the list below, they provide hundreds or brand name gift cards, direct bank payments, PayPal, and Visa gift cards. This website is great since it gives you the option of receiving payment in cash. That's okay. But if you'd prefer, you can also present a gift card, and most popular choices are gift cards for Google Play, Amazon, and Roblox. More details about how this works are provided below. They are looking for people who would want to take surveys and want their opinions in exchange for points that can be converted into cash. This site has an interesting and cool feature in that some users have received excellent materials for free. Obviously, getting this is difficult, but there is a chance, and I think that's a great addition to the site. The last thing we see on the website is that they are mentioned on SiteJabber, Insider, Survey Police, and Trustpilot. Enter your information here, click Start Generating Money, or if you'd prefer, sign up via Facebook with just one click. I'll let you decide that. The last website on my list is Surveytime.io. However, for those of you who may have missed it, I have already highlighted it in one of my earlier videos. This is yet another fantastic website where you may get money by taking surveys. It has some of the best as seen by the reviews on Trustpilot. In order to optimize your earnings, I would generally suggest combining the site with the other three that I showed you. Anyway, I won't go into great depth regarding this site since I already talked about it. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.